Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You guys will get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. This is coming from GEEK. Alright. Let's see what this is. See, these will be nice, like, stocking stuffers. Especially if you go, like, your friends are doing DoorDash. Or pretty much any kind of delivery service now. You know, or if you do it, you know, this will help you out. Or any truck drivers you know. Or if you travel a lot. This is always a good thing to have. Extra. We got bada boom. You just gotta plug it in your USB. I think I got a couple. These are, I think, for the iPhone. Fold plug. Dual PD fast charger. Now it's a USB C2 output. I think I got those. I gotta grab it from downstairs. So that's what it looks like. And fold, easy to travel with. So in case you do a lot of traveling, this would be a nice little stocking stuffer. There we go. And yeah, iPads, notebooks, PDT, portables, fine. Alright, be right back. I didn't have to travel too far, so I got everything I needed. And like I said, you could have this plugged in. Have one out here for your other device. Pretty long cord, got it. I'm charging my fan right now. You can see it right there. And look at that. So, like I said, if you guys are in the market, great stocking stuffers right here. GEEK, I do believe. Definitely check them out. Everything works perfect. So they got great deals going on now. All you gotta do is click that link, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they'll ship it to you. Be safe. Have a good weekend.